Hey guys, this is Shan Saran from Tech Explorers. So today I want to show you a new update of WhatsApp. This contains a great feature of WhatsApp web. Just directly go to web.whatsapp.com and it's as you can see uh, this this is the trying to scan the QR code. So nothing there is no QR code. So I think you just have to go to whatsapp web.whatsapp.com on your Google Chrome. It's available on it. You can go this via your laptop or computer, as you can see. So I think we have to I have to show you on my laptop. I have my laptop. I will show you in a bit later, but I want to tell you one thing. It's available for Android, uh, uh, Nokia S60, BlackBerry only, and there is no update for iOS. So you have to wait for later, but we will try to do review of iPhone iOS also. We will try for iOS for special video. I will dedicated video for this. So I think we should now we will go to my laptop and I will show you. Welcome back, guys. So I will show you now WhatsApp web. So let's get started. So first you have to go to your uh, laptop and whatever platform you have, no problem, but you have to just install Google Chrome, because it requires for it for use. But in future, the all the Safari, all the browsers, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, any other browser, Internet Explorer especially, uh, all the browsers will be uh, used for that WhatsApp web. So let's get started with the Google Chrome and let's go to web.whatsapp.com. So in the description there is this website, this site. You just have to go to that and just a minute, guys. Okay, now you have to just make sure you have turn on your Wi-Fi network on your device, on your phone. So I just do that now, and I will just go to menu button as I show you the internet. So I just go to WhatsApp web and now I will scan it. See, guys, so fast and so easy. You don't have to type any that user ID or any password or anything. I think this is the great idea to use your WhatsApp. Like I will just plug my phone on the charger and I'll leave my phone in my bedroom or any place. But make sure you have to turn on your Wi-Fi. If I turn off my Wi-Fi, it will disconnect your phone, and because it works for syncing your messages or any data, like videos and images, etc. So like I want to this is my contacts, and this is all my contacts. So all the contacts are on my laptop on. So I think it's a great for the user who can use in his laptop or PC. So I think this is a great idea to use in your laptop. So I want to thank you WhatsApp developers to make this. Any no software, no anything, but you have to use your Google Chrome in your desktop. But I think it's already many users have many people have that this Google Chrome. So I think it's great to use this WhatsApp. I will try to I will try to use this web.whatsapp.com. In 2 to 3 days I will try, and I will uh, make a dedicated for this review. So make sure you subscribe, or we will, or if they will not possible, we will post our review in a Facebook page. So all the links are in description. You just go to check out the links, and this is the very easy this site, web.whatsapp.com, and it's a great to use this. So you can, yeah, you can use logout also, and notification is also there. You can desktop alerts, sound alerts. I think it's great. Profile status, I think it's a great idea. It's a great idea to use this. So thank you for watching, guys. This is Ishan Saxena from Tech Explorers. Make sure you subscribe our channel, and hit like button if you like this video. So thank you guys for watching.